Hey, how's it going? This is Jose. Let me show you my Roku 3 power supply. Yeah, that's the name of it. Voila. So try to make it neat. Try to hide most of the wires so it'll look a little neat, but you can see it's kind of difficult. I'm gonna try to tape some of this stuff down once I'm done with the video. But let me get started. Alright, so this is my AC volts that's coming in. Got it coming in. I got the neutral tied into my fuse in there, is inside the box. And then my positives, I got it tied into my switch. Once I turn on the switch, power comes into my transformer. And what this transformer is doing is stepping down the 120 volts down to 24 volts. Once it steps it down, and it's going into my bridge rectifier. Here's where it's turning the AC to DC, and then this power is going down to my breadboard. This is the first capacitor, which is storing energy and then releasing it when using it. Then it goes to the second capacitor, and what this capacitor is doing, it is stabilizing my voltage so I can have smooth voltage going there. And then from there it's going down to my LM317, which is called the variable voltage regulator. Variable voltage regulator, which it has 3 pins that's going to the breadboard. It has an in, an out, and an adjust. So power's coming in, and from there it's going to the. From there, I got it connected to my adjust, which the adjust is connecting to my. Man, it's hard for me to say. It's potentiometer, which is a 10K resistor too. So once I got to turn off is 0 ohms. Once I turn it all the way up, it uses the 10K ohms. From there, it's going back out the variable voltage regulator, and then from there, it's going into my 2 resistors. I think I said resistors. I probably called this something else, but it's a 10K ohm resistor too. So it's going to my 220 resistor and my 12K resistor. What this is doing is basically squeezing down the voltage down. So once I turn it up, turn it down. Once I turn it up and turn it down with the potentiometer, this limits how much voltage runs through there. And then my 5th and 6th diodes, what they're doing, they're really protecting the voltage from being reversed. And from there, so once it goes through my 6 diodes, it goes into the my other capacitor, which is doing the same thing as this one. It's stabilizing the voltage when it goes to the last capacitor. So from the last capacitor that I have here, it's doing the same. It's storing up voltage and then releasing it when being used. From there, I got it connected to my digital voltage reader. Once I turn on the switch, either I could use my meter, I could use this, which the meter would give you more of an accurate, but this one will give you a voltage reading too. Let me show you how it works now. Shit. So right now I gotta turn down all the way. So once I hit the switch, now it's on. So start turning the knob. You can see that the voltage is going up. And it'll read reach all the way up to 30 volts. Boom. 29.9. And this is my Roku 3 power supply. Jose's out.